Welcome all of you to Train Your Brain, and today we will talk Autistic Pride Day, 18th June, a global celebration of neurodiversity and identity. The origins, a movement born from within. The year was 2005. While many awareness campaigns about autism were being led by parents, caregivers, and medical professionals, a powerful realization emerged among autistic individuals themselves. Why should others define us? We must speak for ourselves. This led to the formation of a community-based organization called Aspires for Freedom, AFF, in the United Kingdom, created by Gareth and Amy Nelson, both of whom identified as autistic. Unlike earlier movements that often portrayed autism as something tragic or in need of a cure, AFF promoted a positive, empowering view. They believed in neurodiversity, the idea that autism is a natural variation of human experience, not a disease. So, on 18th June 2005, they organized the first Autistic Pride Day to celebrate the uniqueness of autistic individuals, their creativity, intelligence, and different way of experiencing the world. Why 18th June? The date was chosen deliberately to distance the movement from PT-based awareness days. Unlike traditional events where neurodivergent people were discussed in third person, Autistic Pride Day gave them a voice. It was about pride, not sympathy. The idea quickly spread across the globe, especially in countries like USA, Brazil, Germany, India, Australia. These regions saw marches, seminars, and public talks organized by and for autistic individuals. The symbol, Rainbow Infinity. The rainbow-colored infinity symbol became the official icon of the day. It stands for infinity, the vast diversity within the autism spectrum. Rainbow, the vibrant range of expressions, thoughts, abilities, and personalities in the autistic community. Who celebrates and how? Individuals and families. Wear rainbow-themed clothes or badges. Share stories, poems, or artwork created by autistic individuals. Share messages of acceptance on social media using hashtags like #AutisticPrideDay. Organizations. Schools, NGOs, tech companies, and universities hold sensitivity training sessions, inclusion workshops, exhibitions on neurodiverse talents, global events. In Brazil, street art and public music shows are common. In the US, autistic-led panels and meetups are held. In India, disability rights groups now also participate. Purpose of the day. Goal description. Identity reinforces that autism is a core part of personal identity. Inclusion encourages schools and workplaces to include autistic individuals without forcing them to act normal. Empowerment offers a platform where autistic voices are heard without filters. True story, the boy with the blue umbrella. In Kolkata, a young boy named Rudra was once called slow because he didn't speak until age 5. But by the time he turned 10, he was solving complex mathematical problems and creating digital art. When his school celebrated Autistic Pride Day with an art competition, Rudra's blue umbrella painting, symbolizing protection and acceptance, won hearts. The school principal said, "Today, we didn't just discover Rudra's talent. We discovered Rudra." The National Picnic Day, 18th June. An informal global tradition of togetherness and nature. Historical origins, from revolution to relaxation. The word picnic comes from the French word pique-nique, first used around 1692. It referred to an informal meal where everyone contributed something, usually held in a park or countryside. But it wasn't always just for fun. It had a deeper social purpose. After the French Revolution, 1789, when royal parks and gardens were opened to the public, picnics became a symbol of equality, Freedom. Community sharing. People began to gather with family and neighbors to eat in open spaces as a celebration of liberation from monarchy and aristocracy. When and where did it become a global event? Though not officially declared by the UN, the 18th of June slowly gained popularity as an international day for picnics, thanks to community organizers, schools, and even wellness campaigns promoting outdoor activities. Countries where this day is widely recognized. USA, parks host family reunions and community festivals. India, schools organize end-of-term picnics to amusement parks or gardens. UK, local councils hold green space events. Japan, families go to cherry blossom parks for quiet time and nature. Why celebrate it today? In a world full of stress, screens, and social isolation, International Picnic Day reminds us to slow down, connect with nature, share food and laughter with others. It is also used by many mental health advocates and eco-activists to encourage people to practice mindfulness outdoors, avoid overdependence on gadgets, appreciate and protect public green spaces. What do people do on this day? Activity purpose. Outdoor meal builds family bonding, mental relaxation. Group games encourages teamwork and joy. Eco-awareness drives teach people to avoid plastic, clean parks. Storytelling music builds emotional connections and cultural sharing. Real event, the Global Blanket Challenge. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, a group of students in Australia started the Blanket Challenge, where people around the world were encouraged to lay down a blanket in their garden, terrace, or park and picnic together virtually via Zoom. It went viral. Final thoughts. Event Autistic Pride Day, International Picnic Day. Date 18th June. Founded 2005 by AFF, UK. Historical tradition, 17th century France. Focus: pride, inclusion, identity for autistic people, joy, relaxation, nature, togetherness. Symbol: rainbow, infinity, picnic blanket, food basket. Global reach: autism community, schools, NGOs, families, schools, mental health and wellness groups.